Hey, it's Alva with Online with Alva. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another protective style. This time we're going to do Havana Cuban Twist. Alright, this is the crochet method. Absolutely no braiding required. Okay, and as usual, I'm starting out on blown out, clean, stretched hair. Alright, let's get into the tools you're going to need. You're going to need some banana clips to section off the hair, some elastic hair ties. Of course, I'm using my thick purple comb and my metal rat tail comb for parting and precision. Alright, and I'm using the elastic rubber bands. Of course, you need your latch hook, aka crochet needle, a braider's best friend, shine and jam, and oil of your choice. I'm using the wild growth oil, super wide tooth comb to detangle. So for this style, I'm gonna start with a part on the top of my ear going straight across, but then I'm gonna make an L shape towards the front of my head, and this is just to get me started with sectioning off my hair. So going in with my metal rat tail comb for precision to clean up the parts. Alright, and I'm just going to tie this part down and finish sectioning the rest of my hair. Alright, making sure to oil that scalp. Alright, going back to that first square, I'm going to divide it into two. And then you want to put your edge control or your jam on each side of the square. And then I'll just brush that up with my edge brush, leaving those edges out for later. Alright, and I'm going to twist it and tie it down with an elastic band. Alright, and we're just going to do the same thing across the front half of my hair. Celebrate for getting it right on the first try. And this is the first half. Alright, moving on to the back half. I'm gonna part one section across the back and divide that into 3 squares. And this is the brick laying method, which just means you never put a square on top of a square. Alright. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen 1,000 tutorials like this. So let's get right into it. Why you came to this video. This is the crochet method for the twist. So what I want you to know is when you're going through and doing your rubber band method, you don't want to make sure it's tight. You want to leave a little room at the base because we're going to slide the hair in the crochet needle underneath that ponytail. And the hair I'm using is the Cuban Twist Hair. I'll put a link in the description box, but alright, slide my latch hook underneath the ponytail and put the loop that I created onto the latch hook. Make sure you close it. And you're just going to pull it through. Now with my right hand, I'm holding that loop that I just pulled through, and with my left hand, I'm holding the end of my hair. That way the whole thing doesn't slide through. You just want to slide through one half. So you'll end up with a piece on each side, just like that. Alright, make sure it's even on both sides. Alright, and then from here, you're going to take the original ponytail, divide it in half, and now you can tighten it. So I'm going to slow it down. We're going to take one side and you're going to twist it forward. Tighten up one side, twisting it forward. And with the left side, you're just going to twist that around. And so one hand is going in an upward motion, the other hand is going in a downward motion. And that's how you create that rope twist. It'll create precision, and it'll also make sure your twist doesn't unravel. So watch my hands. Just like that. And you're going to do this all the way down to the end. Now, as you twist, the base is going to get tighter. So I want you to take one of those banana clips and just clip it so that you don't have tension on the base or the root of your hair. It gets tighter as you do this. So this is a protective style. You want to protect those roots. All right, and I'll show you one more time. Sliding the latch hook underneath, looping the Marley twist hair onto the latch hook. Close it, pull it through. Only pull through one end. Okay, even on both sides. And then go through and tighten that ponytail, split it in half. All right, starting with the right side, you're gonna twist it in a forward motion. Take the left side, wrap it around. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this took a long time. So next day, you don't have to do this part, but I just decided to curl the end with some rod set rollers. So dipping it in some hot boiling water. And this is the end product. I really hope this was helpful and y'all enjoyed this video. Comment below, let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.